A stock is a piece of ownership in a company. When you buy stock, you become a part owner. Let's understand how. Companies need money to grow. They can borrow from banks or sell ownership pieces called shares. When you buy one share of Apple stock, you own a tiny piece of Apple. If Apple has 16 billion shares outstanding and you own one share, you own 1/16th billionth of the company. Companies divide ownership into shares to make it affordable. Instead of needing $1 billion to own a piece of Apple, you can own a piece for a few $100s. Stocks trade on exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange. Prices change based on supply and demand. If many people want to buy Apple stock, the price rises. If many people want to sell, the price falls. You make money from stocks in two ways. First, capital gains. You buy at $100 and sell at $150. You profit $50. Second, dividends. Some companies pay shareholders a portion of profits quarterly or annually. You earn money without selling. Now let's talk about stock slices. Modern brokers offer fractional shares. This means you don't need to buy a whole share. Example, Tesla stock costs $250 per share. With fractional shares, you can invest $50 and own zero point 0.2 shares. This democratizes investing. You can own pieces of expensive companies with small amounts of money. Fractional shares work like regular shares. If you own zero point 0.2 shares and the stock rises 10%, your zero point 0.2 shares gain 10% too. Fractional shares also enable cost averaging. You can invest $100 monthly in the same stock, buying fractional shares each month. This smooths out price volatility. Stocks are volatile. Prices fluctuate daily. But historically, the stock market averages 10% annual returns over long periods. This volatility is why long-term investing matters. Short-term fluctuations smooth out over decades. Stocks are ownership pieces in companies. Next, we'll compare stocks to bonds, treasury bills, and savings accounts. See you then. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. Click the links below to start investing today.